Let's talk about Payoneer. Payoneer has been around for years and has built its reputation on supporting global freelancers and marketplace sellers. It's used by major platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Airbnb because it can handle mass payouts to users in many different countries. When you sign up, Payoneer gives you access to virtual receiving accounts in multiple currencies, like US dollars, euros, pounds, and yen, so clients can pay you as if they were sending a local transfer. That means faster payments and fewer fees compared to traditional wire transfers. One of Payoneer's biggest advantages is its marketplace integration. It is designed for platforms that need to pay thousands of users quickly and compliantly. Merchants can automate payouts, manage tax forms, and send funds directly to users' Payoneer accounts. From there, recipients can withdraw to their local bank, spend through the Payoneer card, or use the funds for online purchases. The system supports over 100 currencies and works in countries where many traditional banks do not offer easy access to global transfers. Payoneer also focuses heavily on compliance and regulation. It handles Know Your Customer verification, anti-money laundering checks, and tax reporting for platforms. That makes it a strong choice for large marketplaces that need to manage risk while keeping the payout process simple. On the downside, Payoneer's fees can vary depending on the currency, the withdrawal method, and the receiving country. While it is convenient, it may not always be the cheapest option for smaller transactions. Now let's look at Wise, which used to be known as TransferWise. Wise is built around transparency and low-cost transfers. Instead of using traditional banking routes, it moves money through its own local accounts around the world. That means when you send money to another country, Wise uses a local transfer on both sides, so your payment never crosses borders the old-fashioned way. This system makes transfers faster and dramatically cheaper than standard international wires. For freelancers and small businesses, Wise business accounts let you hold and manage money in multiple currencies. You get local account details in key regions, so clients can pay you directly without dealing with conversion fees. The exchange rates are always real mid-market rates, and the platform clearly shows every fee before you send money. That level of transparency is one of Wise's biggest strengths. Wise also integrates easily with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, making it a solid choice for small business owners who want to keep their finances organized. It supports batch payments, expense management, and even debit cards for spending from your balance. However, unlike Payoneer, Wise does not specialize in marketplace mass payouts or deep compliance automation. It is better suited for individual freelancers, small agencies, or companies handling their own global payroll. In short, Payoneer is built for scale and marketplace infrastructure, while Wise is built for transparency and simplicity. Payoneer gives you reach and flexibility across countries and platforms. Wise gives you control and clarity with real exchange rates and no hidden fees. Both are powerful, secure, and globally recognized, but the right choice depends on how you work and how you move your money.